everyone, my name is Madeline Sane and I am the County Extension Agent for Presidio County. So I know that things are a little bit crazy right now. With that being said, there are so many things that we can do in and around our house to kind of occupy our time. So one of the things that I want to show you today is one of my favorite all-time recipes. This is a recipe that is in the Food Around the World 2019-2020 District 6 4-H Food Show. I'll kind of show you a little bit of it. And this was in November of last year. And the recipe that I'm going to be using today is a banana and chocolate chip bread recipe. My favorite. I love banana bread. And also, like, the ingredients are very simple, very easy. You can find them around your house. Now, this recipe is from a junior in Winkler County, so thank you so much to Miss Daisy for this recipe. So the ingredients that you need are 3 to 4 super ripe bananas, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of butter, and half a cup of chocolate chips. And I'm going to link this recipe below on the video in the comment section, so you'll be able to see it. So you're of course gonna need like a mixing bowl. I have this really large mixing bowl right here. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate chips. You can even opt out of chocolate chips and use pecans, walnuts, whatever you choose. This recipe is pretty forgiving for the most part. So for half a cup of butter, so half a cup is 8 tablespoons of butter, and that's just 1 stick. Okay, 2 eggs, and you need some baking soda. My baking soda right here. So take a quick look at this, and I'm gonna link this below too. And I want you to think about the ingredients that we're putting in this recipe and where they fall on the My Plate, okay? And so take a look at that. Okay, so my bananas are in the microwave thawing out because they are completely frozen. So the thing we need to do first is turn on our oven. So you need to bake this bread at 350 degrees for an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my oven on. Okay, so my bananas are thawed out. Also make sure your butter is at room temperature, so it's gonna be a lot easier to work with. Okay, so our first thing that we need to do is mash 3 to 4 bananas. I have my bananas in here. One thing I forgot to mention is you do need a loaf pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this down. Right, my loaf pan is sprayed down. I'm gonna set that over here for right now. Okay, so next we need to mix in sugar, flour, and baking soda. So we need 1 cup of sugar. Okay, so we have our 1 cup of sugar. Now we need 2 cups of flour. Okay, now for the messy part. Flatten that out a little bit. Okay, so now we need to add half a cup of chocolate chips to the top. So my oven is heated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. It's gonna stay in there for an hour, but I'm gonna monitor it just to make sure it's not burning. So let's set my timer for 1 hour and then we'll be back. Okay, so my banana bread has cooled down. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it. Okay, so for those of you, well, mostly all of us are pretty much stuck inside, and I want you, and I encourage you to link recipes below that you love, that you have made several times, that you like, and that are super delicious, and link them below on this video, and put the recipe in it. And if you want, you can also record yourself making this video too, and if possible, I'll post it on our Facebook page. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please feel free to shoot me an email if you have any questions, and I will link the recipe below. Thanks, y'all have a great day.